Welcome back to How to Kids. Subscribe.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to use this viral hair shampoo to get your hair to be a little pink just for fun. It does wash out. Fallyn always loves it when her hair is just a little pink, so we're going to show you guys how to use it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can check out more How to Kids videos. All right, now with this shampoo, you're supposed to actually use it as a shampoo, but we find it works a little bit better if you put it on dry hair, right, baby?
Yeah.
And this stuff is really foamy. It starts to foam when you lather it. As you can see, we have applied the shampoo generously to Fallyn's hair. It is completely pink. I typically let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before I rinse it out. Be aware, this is not a children's shampoo, so it will burn your eyes, right? Yeah, we learned that one the hard way. So make sure that if you do this on a kid that you help them rinse it out so they don't get it in their eyes. All right, so we rinsed out Fallyn's hair, so you can see that it has a little pink tinge. So we'll dry it and you'll be able to see the finished result. All right, so you can see the finished result here. So you can see her hair has a little pink color to it, and this will typically last anywhere between 2 and 3 washes, so it doesn't go for too long. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Well, thanks everyone for watching today's video. Again, here is the product. You can see the color on this one is pastel light pink. So they do have a hot pink option, which is, I'm sure, a much more vibrant pink, but this one was far more appropriate for her age. You can find them on Amazon. I actually got mine on eBay. It was just a little bit cheaper. And they come in literally any color of the rainbow, so you can check them out and try them for yourself. Thanks again for watching. Hope you subscribe. Bye, guys.